So today I wanted to answer the question of when is a good time to see a therapist? Or how do I know when I should see a therapist? And I think one of the first things to consider is just that therapy is not one particular kind of thing. There's a variety of different approaches and techniques and types of therapy that we can think about that are really designed to meet different kinds of needs for different people. I don't think there's anybody that can really tell you exactly when you need to see a therapist. It really is a highly personal decision. But at the same time, there are some particular cases or things that we can maybe notice about ourselves in life that would be an indication that therapy is likely going to be really helpful for us. And so a couple of those things are like, if you notice that a particular kind of emotional or mental health difficulty is really getting in your way of being able to do the kinds of things that you need to do in your day-to-day life, going to work or in your relationships, or even just kind of any of the practical things that we need to do, like eating, sleeping, or working, that those are often really good indications that talking to a therapist is going to be helpful. Therapy is not just for those who maybe think that they have a recognizable mental health condition, but it's for anybody that really would like to go through a process to maybe increase awareness for themselves, improve their satisfaction in relationships and life in general. There are particular kinds of approaches to therapy that are designed specifically to do that for people that can address a variety of different kinds of stresses and concerns or problems that arrive for us as human beings. And so therapy can really be a very flexible, open experience. One of the things I would recommend is that if you've asked yourself the question of, should I see a therapist? I would just recommend being open to it. Therapy can be a challenging experience in that we often need to talk about maybe difficult parts of our life that are hard to address or bring up with somebody, and so it can be vulnerable and there can be some risks associated with it. But at the same time, over and over again, for many people who've decided to go through that process, it can be a real life-changing experience.